I have here an aluminum camping table. You can see it's super small and compact when you've got it folded down. It is only 24.8 by 7.9 inches and it weighs only 9 pounds. That makes it super lightweight and portable so you can carry it. It's even got a little strap so you can hold it or you can slip it over your shoulder when you're on the go. So this table is super easy to assemble. It's only 4 pieces in total. Got the frame here, just gonna spread it apart like that. These crossbars are what you're gonna use to help position and determine where the frame is gonna be. So you're gonna snap them in and they just have holes that just push down and lock into place. Do that on both sides here. Just like that. So the frame's now assembled. Now I can move on to the top. The top just kind of unrolls. I'm going to set it down. There's 2 separate types of clips here. One completely round and one that's going to be snapped into place. So let's take the completely round one. We're going to slip it over these pins. And push it this way, then unroll it. And then these ones are just going to clip into place. Out here on the other side, there's also some extra clips in the middle here that actually adjust. You're going to want to adjust those and snap those into position in the middle just to make sure it's even more sturdy, just like that. So this table is nice and sturdy once you get it all assembled. Then these legs do adjust in height. You just pull the pins and you can change the height of the table. And it's really nice that you can adjust all of these independently. So if you've got an uneven ground or surface, you can even the table up and flatten it up so that it's not gonna wobble or be tipping one way or the other. So there you can see I raised it up and you can see my ground is really not very sturdy here. And rather than try to fidget with it and get it even and smooth, I can just adjust the legs one at a time until it is where I want it to be. So you can see just one quick adjustment of one leg made a huge difference in how sturdy the table is. And now I could have a nice picnic or eat with this table. So in order to demonstrate how nice these legs are, I grabbed a 4x4 and put underneath just one leg. And I was able to adjust that leg so the table is still nice and sturdy, even though one leg is nowhere near the same height as the others. It's gonna be super common when you're out camping and stuff like that you're not gonna have a flat ground. So it's gonna be super nice that you can adjust the legs independently and still make your table flat and sturdy. So the height of this table can be adjusted to 21.7 inches for the low side and to 29.5 inches on the high side. Gonna make it very versatile, so you can have it be lower if you've got small camping chairs, or if you want to use it more as like a countertop, you can raise it all the way up and use it as a countertop style or just have a taller table. This aluminum camping table is super nice. It's nice and lightweight, very versatile. It's easy to assemble. It's really nice. It's got the bag so you can take it with you when you're on the go. You can use it camping, on picnics, in your backyard or your garden. There's lots of different places that you can use it.